Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. So I am in the mood for chocolate cupcakes. I'm about to make some, and so I decided to film it for you guys. I'm going to show you how to make really fluffy chocolate cupcakes that are to die for. So let's get started. Are you gonna help mommy make cupcakes? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. So I have all the ingredients right here. We're going to start by mixing the dry ingredients. I have some all-purpose flour right here, and into that I'm going to add baking powder, baking soda, some salt, some brown sugar, some white sugar, and some cocoa powder. You gonna mix it? Go ahead and mix it. Keep mixing. What are you doing?
I'm mixing.
Okay, go ahead and mix. Okay, so we're gonna mix the dry ingredients and set aside for later. So now that we're done with the dry ingredients, we're going to mix the wet ingredients. I'm going to get my stand mixer. I'm going to pour some vegetable oil into my stand mixer, some buttermilk, 1 whole egg, and vanilla extract. I'm going to mix that in on low speed. Once that is done, we're going to add the dry ingredients. Oops.
Mommy,
and then we're going to mix everything in. Alright, so once that is mixed in, we're going to add some very, very hot coffee, okay? If you don't like coffee, just use hot water. Gonna mix that in. And try not to overmix, otherwise you're going to end up with very tough cupcakes, okay guys? You're looking for this consistency that looks amazing. I've got my cupcake pan here and we're going to start filling. I'm going to put cupcake paper in here. And you're going to start filling. Make sure you don't fill them all the way to the top, otherwise they're going to flow over in the oven. Just do about 3/4 full. What are you doing?
I'm looking.
You're looking? Okay. So I ended up with 11 cupcakes. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to let these bake for exactly 15 to 18 minutes. And here they are out of the oven. They look amazing. Make sure you insert a toothpick in the middle. If it comes out clean, it means they're done. I'm going to carefully take them out and set them on a cooling rack to cool completely. So while the cupcakes were baking, I started making my buttercream frosting, and I've made this frosting so many times on the channel. I'm going to leave a link to a video in the description box. It's just a mixture of powdered sugar and butter. Just whip it real hard for 8 straight minutes. Time to frost them. I'm gonna go for that one.
Mommy, can I put cupcake, please? Mommy, I want another cupcake. Please.
Oh my gosh, so good. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get some. Look at this. So soft and fluffy. I can't. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to make the cupcakes, check the description box. I'll leave all the ingredients and measurements there. I'll see you soon. Bye.